Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a rough and scratched metal shader. Before anything, make sure that the Node Wrangler add-on is active.
First, you add a noise texture, change the scale to 6.9, detail to 16, roughness to 0.6, and you keep distortion at 0. Now you add a color ramp, bring the white down, bring the black up a little bit, add another node, and bring it closer to black. Now you're gonna add 2 Voronoi textures, connect to vector, and you're gonna change the first one to F2 and add a math node. Change it to subtract and add another color ramp. Now you're going to add 3 color nodes, bring this one down and this one down too. Add a Musgrave texture.
Change the scale to 2, detail to 16, dimension to 0 and lacunarity to 1.6.
Add a mix RGB node. And make this value to 0.1. Now you're going to add another color ramp. Bring the white to the middle and add another color node. Bring this one close to black. Now you're gonna click Ctrl Shift and left click to see the results.
This is the roughness texture. It should look white for now, but later you see the result better. So let's add a frame to put it all together. Now let's add some scratches to this material. Add a texture coordinate node.
Add a Voronoi texture, connect it to object, don't change any value, and add a mix RGB node. Connect object to the second color and this color to the first one. Change the FAC to 0.75. Now we're going to add a Voronoi texture.
Change it to smooth F1 and change it to Mikalski.
The scale is gonna be 0.3, smoothness 1, add a noise texture,
Change the scale to 40, detail to 2.6, roughness to 0, and keep distortion at 0 too.
Add a colorant and bring the white mostly down. Ctrl-Shift left click to see the results. You can see it creates some scratches on the model. Now we're gonna add a frame and put everything together. I'm gonna label these scratches. Add a mix RGB node, change it to multiply, connect the first color here on the second, and this color here on color 1. Basically you're connecting scratches to the rough texture. Now add a bump node, change this value to 1, connect the color to height, put the strength at 0.15 and distance to 0.3. Connect the normal node to the normal. Change the metallic to 0.6. Change roughness to 0.25. Now let's add the base color to this model. Create a color ramp. Make the white. Bring the white all the way to the middle. Connect this color here from the rough texture. Bring this color here to the base color. Now you make this black a little more lighter and this white a little more darker. And there you have it, your rough texture. I will show you this texture applied to another model. This is a helmet I sculpted some time ago. You can actually change the roughness of the material by tempering with the values in scale and lacularity. Here, the larger the scale, less detail the roughness will have. The less value, more detail it will have. The material will be more rough, so to say. Lacularity, you change the quality of the detail of your roughness. The less lacularity, less detail it will have. The higher the value, more detail it will add.
So there you have it, a rough and scratched metal shader for you. If you liked the video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this in the future.